Hi, good morning. Prepare today's orders with me. The time now is past 9 a.m. It's 9 minutes past 9. And these orders should be ready by 11 a.m. I've just done the basics. I haven't really done much. So we're making puff puff, we're making spring rolls, we're making samosas, we're making meat pies, and we're making cake slices. My madam is behind me. The real employer is behind me. So we are all in this together. So I started off with the Milky Puff Puff because this one will have to prove. So I will do this one and keep it while I get the other things done. So this order, if you watched my last video or so, I said my customer ordered some things for her British colleagues. Yeah, so this is the real behind the scene of that particular order you saw me making. So at this point, I'll be making samosa and spring roll. You can see my spring roll filling and samosa filling very rich and lush. So she wanted just veggie samosas and beef spring roll because, you know, of vegans and all, abi vegetarians. I don't know, Sha, but she wanted the vegetable samosa and beef spring roll, and I did just that. Right, so I'm just covering this and letting that not dry out, so it will not dry out. This voiceover. Anyways, so this is me folding the spring roll, and you can see everything in this video is too fast because if I give you people the real behind the scene video, una no go agree watch them. So I'm giving you guys the ones you'll be able to watch at least, so you can watch to the end of the video. So this is our crunchy samosas. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear the coin, coin, coin? That tells you that it is the crunchiest and the best you will ever taste. So this is our spring roll as well, and at this point I am cutting the slices. You can see the lines on the cake. This is to ensure that we are getting the same size, no cheating over here. So this is me making the puff puff. The puff puff has risen very well at this point, and I'm now making the puff puff, and you can see it is puffing. And that is everything we made this morning. So we did it. So this is everything. Time now is past 11. Bye. So you can see that this my face was just a brief one. That's because I was running behind the schedule. So I just wanted to come and tell you guys that we finished, we succeeded. But I was in a hurry as well because I wanted to meet up with time, because at that point we haven't even packed everything. So this is me packing it all. I wanted it all to enter inside like 3 boxes instead of having multiple boxes. Like I said, I wasn't supposed to do anything on this very day, but because this customer is so special and, you know, she just kept asking me to do this, I had to oblige and I did it. And I'm so happy. The review was out of this world. Like, it was so beautiful. So like, tell me, do you like what you are seeing? Just send us a DM and let's take your event, your party, or whatever gathering to the next level. And you'll be glad you did. So see you in the next video. Bye.